Okay, y'all, this is the wig that I did. And excuse the way my background looking inside this mess, but these are the locks that I did on a wig. Move to the side. This is my textured locks. This was my practice wig, but I will put it on so you can see how it looks on, but I just wanted to show you guys how this looks. Excuse my mannequin head, she a little rough, but this is how it went. Just want to show you the texture one more time. All right, let's see it on. Coming out. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Real, and I'm back with another bomb hair video. Y'all, I told y'all in my last videos that I took a nail class and I took a textured lock class. So this is a wig, and this actually was a curly wig, but I ended up just making this my practice wig so I could be able to practice on my locks. So in this video I will show you the hair I used to create these locks, but before I show you how to create the locks, let me get some wine off the rocks, because ain't no mother effing ice up in here. Dog, I'm running low on wine. Yo, have I been making that many videos? Who am I kidding, baby? I still drink the wine even when I ain't making no video. But anyway, whoo, baby, that yak get me back every time. You feel me? And yes, my face is greasy. I told y'all in the last video that somebody was commenting saying I'm too cute not to be having this greasy face. Baby, not your business. Damn. Anyway, cause baby, I ain't cutting no slack when I'm on that yak. You feel me? Anyway, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, this wig, like I was saying, was a short curly wig, and I needed a wig to practice on. So you can't see my lace right here because this wig is not glued down. I didn't do nothing extra. All I did was use Gots to Be and some what's it called? Y'all seeing it, that mousse. Anyway, some mousse to lay the edges down, just so I could do this video and show you guys what the wig looks like on. And if you want to know what I mean by texture, let me show you what I mean. You see all that texture in these locks? Like, look at this lock right here. You see all that texture? It's like little curly pieces in there. That's what I mean by a textured lock. But I am going to show you guys the hair that I used. So I did use some hair from Janet collection this time. And I will show you how the hair looks in different textures, because I will be trying another texture. But this is the hair that I used for what it is, like to put on the ends, because I thought I was gonna use the ends. So instead of that, I ended up using this as the bulk of the lock, like what I wrap around. And this water wave braid is what I wrapped around the lock, if you understand what I'm saying. So I used the one with the looser curl, the 2x perm Peruvian. I use this as, because I was gonna have these as my ends, but I end up going for the no ends look, so I use this pack for that. And I use this hair, this water wave braid in 24 inches. I use this hair to wrap the lock with. So like I said, this perm and natural texture for the middle of the hair. When I braided my hair, I just crocheted through there and braided it inside my hair, and then I crocheted this hair in to wrap around my lock. Got me? Got me. Okay, so like I was saying, in another video I will show you how the locks turn out when you use a different texture. This, a lot of people was thinking like this is gonna be so soft, it's gonna be too soft. No, this was still came out exactly how I wanted it. Okay, you see all that texture? I love textured locks, so I am gonna end up doing my hair, but like I said, I wanted to see how, if I could do it on a wig, all that texture. And I did, these are those colorful little ropes they have at the hair store or craft store. I did a gold one right here too. Let me find it. Right here too, but that was just to put a little color in here. But y'all, this wig turned out so cute. This was my practice wig, so you have to take it with a grain of salt because I was practicing this whole wig, but I wanted to see what texture it was gonna come out, how it was gonna look. But I think this wig turned out so beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh, let me know how you feel about this wig. And y'all, what I did was, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I did was I crocheted the lock, I mean not the lock, I crocheted the hair. I actually braided in, I braided in this hair into my hair so it could be on the ends, but I ended up cutting the ends off because I didn't want any ends on this hair. So what I did was braided this hair in to the length that I wanted on this wig, and then I wrapped this hair around it. So that's all I did, y'all, was wrap this hair around that hair, and that's all I did, y'all. So let me know what you feel about this wig and how you like it. I actually love this though, y'all, but I am going to be doing my real hair in these locks, so I will come back, and it's gonna be super long, so I'll come back and let you guys know how that turned out. I will do a natural hair video on my page, on my channel before I do that to my hair, so you can see what my hair was, what the state it was in. And I will show you guys all my natural hair products that I use from Africa's Miracle, because I use their whole line. I don't use nothing else because some of you may not know, but I had a mohawk and it was hard to find a full line that everything in there, every product they have has something that makes your hair grow. So I was able to grow my hair back super quick. So I will show you guys what I use and how I keep my hair healthy. I do need my ends trimmed, but I'll still do the video and show you guys how my hair is, and we will do a length check. Come on out. But anyway, tongue just as slippery on that wine. Anyway, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video, and let me know if you love this hair and how you think I did on this wig. Y'all, I love it. I love it, y'all. And any questions you have, put it down below. I will put the links to this hair, the hair that I use to wrap on here. I will put the link in my description box. And y'all, thank you so much for commenting and subscribing to my channel. I love you guys. I know I'm always on my channel cracking up, and I am never ever serious. But y'all, I just wanted to show you guys, a lot of people was asking me how my wig turned out. Well, the people that know that I took the class. So y'all, let me know how you feel about my wig, and comment, like, subscribe, and love you guys. Ciao.